How to join Discord server without invite link. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about joining any Discord server without an invite link. So first, open your Discord application or go to discord.com from your browser. Log into your account. Hover your mouse to the left-hand side of the screen and then tap on this plus icon, which is indicating add a server. A menu will open and then tap on join a server, which is in the bottom of the menu. Here you'll get the option to enter your invite link. If you have a code, type it in to join the server. Alternatively, you can search for servers by keyword. For example, you can go ahead and type in Fortnite, then tap on join server, and the official Fortnite Discord server will open. Go ahead, select your country, then tap on next. Select the platform, tap on next again, go through the on-screen instructions, and join the specific server that you want. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.